Hey, this is Jesse, or Mr. Swagga1212, and I'm here to do an unboxing. This is my ProWood's fingerboard package. I ordered some pro tape and a deck, and let's open it. See what I got. Okay, first thing, pull out my deck, exotic zebra wood. Dang, that looks so nice. Extreme mold. Wow, look at that lacquer. You see that? It's so shiny. This is the one that I wanted too, the dark one. So nice. Hear that? Listen to that pop. Don't know what that does, but for those of you that do, comes with a free piece of pro tape. Wow, that's really nice. Right now, my current setup, I'm using a Fingerdex D3 mold. It was the Pro deck, but graphic peeled off, so I had to do a ton of stuff to it. I'm still using one piece of Fingerdex tape. Look how destroyed that is. So worn in. Alright, so this is really nice. Comes with a sticker. Pull this out here. ProWood sticker. That's nice. Has all this stuff about the finger deck and about the fingerboard in case there's anything wrong with it. And even down here he says, call so-and-so's number with problems or installation questions. So that means that they're a really good company if they let you call them to talk about what you got. And then second thing I got was some more pro tape for that other fingerboard. I got 4 pieces, 2 and 2. It's the super thin pro tape, so it's nice. I already felt the pro tape, so I don't need to open this and feel it. So that's it. That's my unboxing of my ProWood deck.